Alright, so in recent installations of VS Code and Python extension for VS Code, I get these settings will soon be deprecated. I get this for my linting, which I'm using pylint here, and also for my formatting extension, which I'm using black as a formatter. I have them both installed in my VM, and I want to get rid of this. You can see it's all over my settings. So to fix this, I have to install here black, which is an extension for the black formatter. So I have to install this one. And you also have to install pylint, which is the linter I'm using. And once you got this two installed, all I have to do is to replace the new settings with replace the old settings with new ones. So I'll leave here my default interpreter path, which points to my VM, which is here. And then I'll have to replace the rest. So this pylinting CWD, I don't have to have this anymore. Also the pylint path, it's also going to be taken from my VM bin. So since I have this installed, so you can see here I have this Python and pip install. So I have both pylint and black installed. So I don't have to have this anymore. Okay, so for pylint args, I have an RC file here that I use. For this, I have the pylint args now, and we just have to replace this. So instead of using python.linting.pylintargs, we just have used pylintargs. So I can delete this one. Pylint enable, we don't have to have this anymore. Okay, so for pylint is pretty much this. I just have to add this args, which is the one that I was using, and it's all set. So for formatting, I'm using black and also have this black arg saying that the line length should be 200. So I'll leverage this here, which I have this editor format on save and on paste. Let me turn this on so we can test it later. But more than that, I will now have this editor and formatting default formatter. So I'll use MS Python Black Formatter, which is the name of the extension. So instead of having this formatting provider, I'll use just the default formatter. And for black args, now we have black install, so I have this black formatter args, and it's pretty much the same. So I can just use it here. And I can delete it, and that should do it. So let's save it, and if I go to my main, I can see that pylint is already running. I have this here and also have this not formatted here, so if I hit Ctrl S to save it, okay, I'm getting black also to work. And if I fix this num count to num and save it, so the linter should gone. Yeah, it's all good here, and we don't have the messages anymore, so I still have this one from pylint missing docs, but everything is working now. So you can get this settings.json in the description below.